Guys, so it's so freezing inside the house, and we got this yesterday from the river, and it's so cold, guys. The water is so cold. I don't know why these creatures can stay longer in the cold. I don't know. And I get this because they are on the edge of the water edges, so it's so easy to get them under the stone, so they are climbing to the sand. And just look, they're sticking each other. I'm so glad I found them, but guys, it's really hard to get them because my hands is almost freezing. Like I got sunburn and it's really painful. And yeah, just because I am very surprised of this. Guys, we went to the river yesterday and I picked them one by one. I am having fun. That's why even it's so cold, it's not it's not snowing, but it's so cold, guys. And then my hands are freezing, like it turns to red and it's very painful. That's why I stopped picking them, and my asawa told me that I forget to remind you like that because I'm having fun. But guys, see, there's a lot of this. If we don't have ulam here, we will go there and catch them. As long as you have license, you can catch them. And yeah, it's very fun. And the river is so wide, and we might need to go back there for more of them. Yeah, and it's my second day in the US, by the way, so it's really hard to come here. So that's all, guys. I just sharing. Sa Suba mi di ay, guys. Guys, we are here in the Suba.
Yeah.
In the river.
That is for surfing.
Perfect. We will go swim and play the water.
Thought it threw a bunch of clams. It might have got washed out. But the clams, you know, the
Shell.
shell.
Yeah.
I had a bunch here.
Like the white shell?
Yep. I should have taken them with me because there's a baby one right there. Little tiny one. See?
I thought it's alive.
No. Yeah, there's a bunch, see? But there were big ones down here, and I was collecting them.